Hello friends, this is Harmeet from ThemeHunk.com, and in today's video I brought you a new beautiful and amazing single page theme whose name is Oneline Pro theme. Friends, using this theme you can create any type of business website, such as if you are providing a service for anything, then you can use this theme for your services, or if you are in any type of business, then you can use this theme for your website. So friends, you can see this is a beautiful design of a motorcycle club. You can see this is the main slider section, and below that you will get the services part of this theme, and after that you will get a about us section. Friends, you can add your about information in this section. Below that you will get ribbon section and a pricing table, and after that you can also add your products if you want to sell your products using this website, and at the last you can add your blog posts related to your work or your recent events, and after that you can show your contact details. So friends, if you are in a motorcycle business, you are selling or giving your bikes on rent, then you can give your pricing here, and after that if you are selling some product related to bikes, then you can sell your product using this section. So friends, it will beneficial for you to sell and give your services at the same time from a single website. So friends, let's go to our dashboard and learn how we can install and activate this theme in our WordPress dashboard. So friends, this is my WordPress dashboard, and as soon as you open your dashboard, you have to navigate to appearance and click on the themes. Friends, I have already installed this theme in my dashboard. Now I will tell you how you can get this theme. You have to go to ThemeHunk.com and click on the Pro Themes menu item. Here you will get Oneline Pro theme and you can buy from here. After that you can download the theme in your WordPress dashboard and activate it. Friends, as you can see, my theme is already installed, and now I am going to import this motorcycle club demo in my dashboard, and then we will discuss all the sections one by one in the theme. So friends, now let's move to get started with Oneline theme. It will available in the appearance tab, so click on this link, and after that you have to click on the import demo data template, and now you can see all the demo which are available with the theme is listed here. So today we are going to import this motorcycle club demo, and you have to click on the preview button, and then it will ask you to install all the necessary plugin which is required for our Oneline single page theme. So you can see our WP pop-up builder is not installed now, and this is required to show any pop-up for your website. And below that you can see lead form builder plugin is already installed in my dashboard, and this is the plugin which will help you to create a contact form or a newsletter form. And below that you can see a WooCommerce plugin is also listed, because as we have discussed earlier, we can also sell product with this theme. So WooCommerce plugin is also necessary for that. So I am just going to activate both of these plugin, and after that we will click on the install plugin, and it will install all the necessary plugin from here, and our demo will be imported. Now we have to click on the import this site button to import our demo content, and it will give you some notification that it is recommended to run import on a fresh WordPress installation, and importing site does not delete any pages or posts. However, it can overwrite your existing content, and copyrighted media will not be imported. Instead it will be replaced with placeholder. So friends, after that you have to click on the OK button, and it will now import your demo data. Friends, now our demo data is imported, and now we have to click on the done view site button, and it will show you our website how it is looking now after importing data. So friends, you can see now our website is looking very beautiful here after installing all the demo data, and you can see all the sections are now available which we have checked in our website. So friends, now we will discuss each and every section here which we can edit or alter in our dashboard. So friends, you have to again go to your dashboard and click on the customize link under the appearance tab, and you will get all the options available to manage your home page of the website. Friends, now you can see we have customized section, and the very first tab is the theme documentation tab. You can click on the docs button to see all the documentation related to the theme. Below that we have a typography section where you can set the fonts and its size here according to your requirement. You can also give different fonts for your heading, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, likewise till heading 6. Also you have option to add typography in anchor tag also. So friends, this is the typography section. You can easily click on the drop down menu and select your fonts from here. Now let's move to another tab, which is the theme option tab. From here you can give global settings for your website. Suppose you have to disable fixed header, you can disable it from here. If you want to disable animation effect of the theme, you can disable it from here, and you can hide back to top button. You can see this is the back to top button. This button can be hidden from this option, or you can also disable the site loader. Friends, when you load your website in browser, it shows a site loader. You can disable it from here. Now the next section is the site color option. You can manage site color and loader color and footer widget background color from here. Also you will get many options to manage background color from here. Suppose footer copyright background color, footer copyright text color. You can also manage text color from here. You can also manage footer social icon color from here. So friends, now another setting is header setting. From here you can manage your menu. Suppose you can see our menu is currently in the center, and you can also split your menu so that it will split menu in two parts and your logo will come between both the menus. And the default menu is when your menu will be in the right side and logo will in the left side. And another option is header transparent. If you want to make your header transparent, you can use this setting. And another setting is header visibility, only applied for front page template. You can manage the header visibility from here. And also you will get header background color option here, header shrink background color option, and menu color option also are available here. You can add background color of sub menu also from this settings. Also friends, we have given different color options for inner pages menu also. Friends, to add typography in your menu, you can use this menu typography section, and from drop down you can select your font which is required for you. Now another setting is page layout setting. Friends, here you can disable SVG effect. If you don't want to add this SVG effect, then you can see this design is known as the SVG effect. You can enable or disable from this section. Also friends, we have a parallax effect where you can see we have parallax effect in the theme. When we scroll, we can see the parallax effect. You can disable this effect from this option. Now friends, we have social icon setting. From here you can add your social icon in your website. It will be available in your footer part of the theme. And another setting is the copyright text area. Friends, from here you can add your copyright text which will be shown in the footer of your website. Also we have footer settings. Using it you can manage or enable or disable the SVG option of your footer. So this is the options. You can select plenty of, means you have 6 different SVG effect here. You can manage it from this settings. Now we have page header image setting. From here you can add the background image of your page. Now friends, we have a body background color option here. You can change the background color of your body from this option. And then we have body background image option also. You can change the background image of your body if required. Now friends, we will move to our general setting option. From here you can add your website logo and give site title or tagline. If you don't want to display site title and tagline, you only want to display your logo, then you can just uncheck this option. It will only show your logo. From here also you can manage the typography of your website title and tagline. Now friends, another option is our section setting. This option will help you to order the section according to your requirement. You have to just drag and drop this section from, and it will manage according to your requirement. Now next setting is section on off setting. Friends, if you don't want to show any section here, then you can check that box and it will hide from your website. Now another section is our slider section. You can manage your slider section from this settings. You can select the type of the slider. Suppose you want to add an external plugin and show your slider with the help of external plugin, then you can select this option, or you can stick to the default slider option. It will show you images in the form of slider, and you have to click on the slider setting and manage the slider speed, slider first button and slider second button. Also you can enable or disable autoplay option from here. Now you can change the color of your overlay or heading color or the button color from these options. It will give you option to change the button color and text color for both the buttons. Friends, in this slider section we have given 6 different slider. You can add images and heading and link to those slider. Also you can give link to the button for both the buttons. Now another section is our service section. Friends, using this section you can give your important highlighted features of your website which you are providing for your customer. Friends, using this option you can give heading and subheading of this section. Below that you will get option to manage the background of this particular section. You can manage it from here. After that you can change the color of your heading and subheading using the color option. Below you will get a typography option for each section. Friends, we have given separate typography option in this theme, and below that you can add your widgets in this service section. You have to just click on the add a widget section and you have to go to the Oneline service widget and you can add your widgets from here. In widget you will get option to add title, description and link of that title. Below that you will get option to change icon or image in that particular widget. Suppose I have added a light bulb icon here, and you can change it to any icon as your requirement. So friends, this is the service section we have given in the theme. Now next move to the another section which is the ribbon section. Friends, you can see the ribbon settings is also same, just like the service section where you can give main heading and text in your section and also give the link to your button. And background color option, typography option is just same like the service section. Now we move to our next section which is the portfolio section. You can also give main heading and subheading to the portfolio section and give settings in your portfolio. Friends, you can create portfolio in your dashboard. From this portfolio tab you can navigate to your dashboard and go to portfolio and add your new portfolio. After that you have to manage it from your customize section and you can show your portfolio in your website. Now friends, let's move to another section which is the about us section. Here you have to give settings of your about us section where you can add your description, heading and subheading of that section. Below that you will also get option to show your social icon. Now our next section is the team section. Friends, here you can add the images of your team members to show how many team members we have in our service website and who will have their particular designation. So friends, you have to go to team widget option and here you can add your team widget by adding a widget from the button. Friends, you can see this is the Oneline team widget. Here you can add it in the customize panel and then you can give image, member name, designation and social icon. So friends, these are the team section. And now let's move to the testimonial section. From here you can add your testimonial widgets, so you can just give image and author name and a website link in the testimonial section, also a description and an author link. So friends, this is the testimonial widget. And now let's move to latest post section. So friends, you have to manage all the settings of your post from here. You can give title and subheading here. Also you can choose the category if you want to show product of any category. Now our next section is the WooCommerce section. From here you can manage your WooCommerce product. You can give main heading and subheading for your WooCommerce section. And to show your WooCommerce product, you have to use this shortcode, recent product shortcode, in your WooCommerce shortcode field. So friends, to add your product, you have to go to your dashboard, and there you will get option to add products related to your services. Now let's move to next section, which is the pricing section. Friends, here you can give multiple pricing according to the services you are providing for your website. So you have to just click on the add a widget button, and you have to select price widget, which is given by Oneline theme. So friends, you can add pricing like this. And now let's move to contact us section, where you can add contact us setting, and you can give the shortcode of your contact us form in this field. And also you have option to add heading and main heading, subheading of your contact section. Below there you can add address heading, your full address, also a contact number. After that you have a map section. From here you can show the location of your service or of your shop or your organization with the help of these settings. You have to just give the iframe code of the Google. From here you can show your location of your services. And another section is the brand section. Here you can show the various brands which you are dealing with in your shop. So here you have to click on the brand widget, and you can add multiple brands here. Next section is the custom section. From here, if you want that you have to add any other extra information in your website, then you can use this custom section and add your information. So friends, this is the Oneline theme. Using it you can create a very beautiful business website for you. If you have any query related to this, then you can comment me below. I will help you with that. Thanks for watching my video.